Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Proton Drive offline in 2026. So if you want to access your files without internet or keep working while you're disconnected, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser or app and log into your Proton Drive account while you still have internet access. Next, make sure you're using the Proton Drive desktop or mobile app because offline access works best through synced apps. Now enable file syncing so your important files are downloaded and stored on your device for offline use. Next, select the files or folders you want and mark them for offline access or keep them available on your device. Now wait for the files to fully download. Once synced, you can open them even without internet. Next, turn off your internet connection and open your files. You'll still be able to view and edit them if they are already synced. Now when you reconnect to the internet, any changes you made will automatically sync back to Proton Drive, and that's it. You've successfully used Proton Drive offline. Now your files are always accessible, even without an internet connection. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.